I'm Anna Plaßmann, a member of the Digital Event Task Force at K.I.T Group. Webinars are a great way to provide the latest research and educational content to a large audience. Not only to your members, but to professionals who may not yet have been aware of the great content that you provide. And now that they know, they might become a member. You can create additional income with sponsored webinars. In general, a webinar series is a great way to provide the latest content, stay in contact with your audience, and show the value of your society. 1 hour is a perfect length for a webinar. Plan 40 minutes for your presentations and an additional 20 for the Q&A. This means it's best to have just 1 to 2 speakers, so they can really dig deep into their topics. The Q&A is really important. The audience loves it. So ensure to invite an experienced moderator for the interview, who keeps track of the time as well. Here's a best practice for your marketing strategy. Start promoting your webinar just 10 days ahead. The later your delegates register, the higher the chance that they attend. And in high attendance is what you're aiming for. So go ahead, start your webinar series now and make the most of it.